In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 tactics to get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want to gain the attention of YouTube's algorithm, then you need to have a lot of subscribers to your channel. Even though Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have stolen the social media spotlight over the last several years, YouTube is still an incredible marketing channel for any business. If you're just starting to build your YouTube channel, here are 5 tactics for getting free subscribers on YouTube. Start promoting your channel. There are thousands of videos online about how to hack YouTube to gain more subscribers. Unfortunately, most of these turn out to be illegitimate and a waste of your time. If you are just getting started, then you have to bite the bullet and do the work to get more subscribers. The best way to do this is to create engaging content and ruthlessly promoting it on your other social media channels. Take the time to build a plan to promote your channel if you want to get more subscribers. Create frequent content. The best way that you can get more subscribers to your YouTube channel is by creating high-quality content consistently. Posting content every week helps you to retain subscribers, which is another important metric of YouTube, as well as attracting new subscribers. When you increase the amount of content that you publish, you also increase the number of places that you'll be found by people online. Promote your channel with Facebook groups. No matter what topic you're interested in or what business you have, you can find a group on Facebook for most topics. Find relevant groups by searching a keyword in the filter of groups in the search bar. Narrow down your list to 10 to 20 relevant Facebook groups, and then add a comment to the discussion telling people about your YouTube channel. Create searchable titles. If you want your videos to be found by your target audience, then you need to spend a few minutes creating SEO-focused descriptions and titles. An easy way to do this is by typing in the YouTube search bar the keywords that you're planning on using in your title and see what search results come up. When you find keywords that show a lot of results, create titles using the best keywords and include them in your video description. Create playlists to convert searchers to subscribers. Creating playlists on YouTube is a great way to boost content consumption, boost watch time, and retain subscribers. Rather than creating different playlists, you can create a track of content for new users to watch. Gaining more subscribers on YouTube is imperative for your business if you want to get noticed by its algorithm. Implementing these 5 tactics will help you increase your subscribers.